Nowadays, artificial intelligence can do almost anything for you. Draw, write books, compose music, and much more. But what if I told you that AI can also help you make money? With the AI-powered Scorpio TradeBot, I turned just $50 into over $200,000 in a month by trading on Pocket Option. The results are truly incredible. Pocket Option can literally become your own money printing machine. In this video, I'll show you how to start trading completely for free and achieve similar results. You'll see how everything works in real market conditions. So where do we begin? Go to the Scorpio TradeBot, click on the link, and open a new Pocket Option account. Then, top it up for at least $50 using any payment method you want, and you can start earning. Today, we will see how much we can earn from $100 using our bot. As usual, we try to choose the currency pair with the highest winning percentage. Choose the time and place the deal as the bot ordered us. Great. Trusting the bot, I place the maximum bet. Now we're switching to live charts. That's such a wonderful result we got. In order not to miss new videos and stay tuned on updates, subscribe and click the bell.